Hello student, good morning. How are you all? Okay. In our last video, you had learned about Windows 7. You know that Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay. So, do you know who is the founder of Microsoft Corporation? Yes. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation, the worldwide leader in a software. Bill Gates is one of the richest person in the world. His company, Microsoft, developed Windows operating system. Okay, so in this video, you will learn how to open a program and many more. So let's start with the opening a program using Start menu. Dear student, you can open a program in a Windows 7 by using the Start menu. And where is Start menu? Yes, Start menu. Windows 7 open the program and display it on the desktop. So how can you open a program? Suppose you want to open MS Word, means Microsoft Word. So what is the process to open Microsoft Word? Yes, click on Start button, then click on All Programs. Program present on the hard disk, click on Microsoft Office and then click on Microsoft Word 2003. Okay, so the Microsoft Word window will be appears. So it is an example to open a program. So what is a program window? A program window is a rectangular area of the desktop surrounded by a frame and title bar at the top. Where is title bar? Yes, at the top. The first is a quick access toolbar. On the title bar, there is a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar contain very important buttons like save buttons, undo buttons, redo buttons. Okay, so you can add more buttons on it. So if you want to save your program, if you want to save your letters, so you can use quick access toolbar. Okay, the next features is a title bar. You know that the topmost bar that display the name of the program is the title bar. The next one is a maximize, minimize and close button. So what does minimize button? Yes, minimize button is used to display on the taskbar as a window taskbar icons. What is maximize button? When you click on maximize button, you can enlarge the size of the window of the entire desktop. And what does close button? Yes, close button is used to close all program. Okay, now what is maximize a window? How you can maximize a window? You can enlarge a window to its maximize maximum size with the help of maximize button. And where is the maximize button in this picture? Yes, in the center. So click on maximize button in the window. The window files your screen. To return the window to its previous size, move the mouse pointer over restore down, means you can click again this maximize button to its previous size. Okay, to just click on it. Now minimize a window. How you can minimize a window? With the help of minimize button. And where is the minimize button? Yes, The first button, you can minimize the window to remove it from your main screen. If you are not using that window, you can redisplay the window anytime. And how can you do? Click on minimize button in the window. The window reduced to an icon on the taskbar. Okay, here notice taskbar. Where is the taskbar? Yes, taskbar is the longest bar at the bottom of the desktop. And where is the title bar? Title bar is the topmost bar that display the name of the program in the title bar. Okay, so next is a show desktop using arrow peak. What is arrow peak? Yes, in the bottom right corner of the taskbar, here there is a arrow peak button. You can instantly minimize all your opens window to remove them from your screen and view the desktop clearly. It is also called show desktop button. So what is the difference between arrow peak and minimize? You can also do minimize, minimize your program if you don't want to work on it. So why we are using here arrow peak? Yes, because arrow peak is the transparent. Transparent means when you hover the mouse pointer on the show desktop button, it remove them from your screen and view the desktop clearly. It show with the help of arrow peak. You can see the desktop. Now click on the show desktop button here. Each window minimized to an icon on the taskbar. You can now clearly view on the desktop. If you want to redisplay all window, just click on show desktop. Show desktop means show desktop and arrow peak button is the same. You can also say arrow peak and show desktop button. Okay, now moving a window. How you can moving a window? The window can be shifted or moved to a different location if it covers item on your screen. So you can rotate your screen, okay, through the moving a window. Next is a resizing a window. You can change the size of the window display on your screen. But how? Yes, place the mouse pointer over a border of the window you want to resize. In this example, you can see where is you want to resize a window. Okay, so just place the mouse pointer over a border of the window you want to resize. Okay, drag the mouse pointer until the window display the size you want. Okay, now closing a window. How you can close your window? Yes, you can close the window to remove it from your screen after finishing work with that window. Closing a window, in this picture you can see it is a close button. So click on close button in the window, or in shortcut you can press alt plus F4. So if you want to close your program in the shortcut way, you can just press alt plus F4 to close your program. Okay, in the last, shutting down Windows 7, how can you shut down your window? You know that your work is finished now and you want to shut down your computers. So once you have finished your work, you need to shut down your computers. So there are some steps to follow. What is the step? Click on start button. The start menu will be appear, and then click on shutdown. Window shut down and turns off the computers. So it was all about your Windows 7. In our next video, you will learn personalizing Windows 7. Okay, so bye.